Hey, this is David with Mighty Things, and today we're gonna make Outdoor Boys style campfire bread. Now, we've seen Luke on the Outdoor Boys channel do this a bunch of times. The bread looks so good, and we were really curious, does it taste good? Is it something that kids would actually eat? So we're gonna go ahead and make it, and then we're gonna have some kids actually give it a taste test and see what they think. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so we're in the garage and we're gonna go ahead and mix together the ingredients. We're gonna put them into this Ziploc bag. So let's go ahead and start with the flour. So there's gonna be 2 cups of flour.
You know I'm never gonna be a chef.
Jack, go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of this active yeast in there. All right, 1, 2. Go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Let's get that teaspoon measurement. There you go. All right, and a teaspoon of salt. All right, cool. All right, so it's pretty lightweight. So this is something that you could just throw in your backpack and carry with you, which is a big advantage of using this while you're backpacking or something like that. And you usually add the water when you're actually at camp, but since we're gonna cook it today, we'll go ahead and add the water right now. Pour it in there. You wanna mix it, Jack? Just kind of squish it around.
Yeah. Okay, that is.
And then what you'll do is toss it into like your tent or something overnight, and the next day it should be ready to cook. For the magic of cameras and cinema, we're gonna cook it right now. All right, so we have our fire started. We're gonna just put this over the fire here and let it heat up for a few minutes. Okay, so the pan's nice and hot. Let's go ahead and cook this up here. There we go. It's definitely rising. Let's see if we can flip it.
Yikes.
And it's burnt. I guess the lesson here is if you can't cook at home, you can't cook on the trail either. Okay, let's take this lump of charcoal out and let it cool down before we feed it to the kids. All right, so we finished making the bread over the fire. It's a little burned, but we're gonna go ahead and give it an official taste test and see how it compares. Let's get some butter on it.
Honey, cinnamon, and butter.
Honey, cinnamon, and butter. You wanna try the first one?
Sure.
All right, here you go.
I'm not sure this is gonna be not terrible.
We'll see.
We're not sure it's even food safe.
There's actually plenty of fun.
How would you rate it?
This is a 5 and our everyday is 8.
This is pretty good. 7.
7. Yeah.
That's really good. 10.
All right. You like it?
No.
You don't
What?
like it? What do you give it?
What number?
0? Ooh, harsh critic. All right, here you go, Ethan.
Is it good?
Yeah, do you like it? All right, I'm gonna try this. We need a more objective opinion here. That's pretty good.
Okay, can
What
I
out of
eat
10?
this?
I'd probably give it
Can I have the first taste
maybe
on
a
this?
6 or 7.
6.
All right, everybody, close your eyes. I'm gonna give each of you something, and you have to tell me, is it the homemade bread or is it the Outdoor Boys bread, okay? All right, we'll start with you, Quentin. Which is it?
Outdoor Boys. Home.
Okay, one more. Keep your eyes closed. Hold on, wait.
Hey! It's a what?
I'm scared now. This is focaccia. Homemade.
All right, what about this one?
What is that?
A very refined palate, I see. All right, this is the clean one.
I hope. Outdoor Boys.
All right. So we learned that you probably want some kind of an oil or a butter just to keep it from sticking on the pan, but it actually does taste really good if you just peel the burn parts off. So definitely recommend this.
Can I have some more?
You want some more bread?
Yes.
All right. There's no mustard on that one. All right, guys, we had a really good time making this bread out here today, and I guess the kids liked it, so it's something that we'll be trying on our own backpacking trips. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll be doing more videos like this. And if you try this yourself, you have any tips for us, please drop them off in the comments below. If you like this, check out some of our other videos, like taking kids to explore a wild cave. or building a backyard bike ramp from scratch. And stay tuned, we've got more awesome adventures and projects coming your way.